Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here in Lipa City, Batangas to feature 5 lots inside Mount Malarayat Golf Country Club. This is the most premium or the currently most premium residential community inside Lipa, Batangas. It's actually a very beautiful golf community. I'm really excited because we were invited, one of the owners, to sell their 5 properties. Sobrang excited ako kasi ang gaganda po ng bahay dito. Sobrang ganda po ng ating golf course. Ang ganda po ng buong community ng Mount Malarayat. So tara, simulan na natin. If you're new to my channel, I'm Armand Cruz. I'm a real estate broker here in the Philippines and I sell properties in Laguna, Cavite, and Batangas. So if you're looking for a property or looking to sell your property, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, or you can also contact us on our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. The number is posted on the screen. We're also on social media. We have Facebook and Instagram. Or if you're just looking for a property and you just want to get updated with the latest news, you can go on our Viber community. The link is on the description box. So let's go and continue our house tour. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're here in Mount Malarayat, Lipa City, Batangas to feature 5 lots that are for sale by the owner. And I'm really excited because ang lalaki ng lote na to. So if you're looking for a retirement house and you're looking to live inside the premium golf community, this might be the video for you. Again, this is Armand Cruz and I'm a real estate broker in the Philippines and I feature houses, lots, and condos in the South. So let's begin. Ang binibenta po natin ngayon ay 5 lote po siya, 2 1,189 square meters at 3 441 square meters. And currently, nandito na po tayo sa actual location ng lote. And then as you can see, ito po yung mismong property. So the first lot, we're actually selling 2 189 square meters lot. Start po yung first lot natin from this post all the way dun sa ating flag na nakikita nyo dyan. Ito nakaturo ko, this is the flag. Sobrang laki po niya. It's 1,189 square meters. Sobrang luwag po niya. And as you can see, meron na po siyang bahay. Now, ito pong bahay na to, if in case na meron pong bibili nung mismong property, this is actually located in the middle of 2 lots, 1,189. If you plan to buy both lots, which will make your lot amounting to 2,400 square meters, pwede po nilang ibenta yung bahay for free, wala na pong additional. You're just gonna pay for the price per square na gusto nila for the lot. But if mabili po yung property na magkahiwalay, magkaibang owners, i-demolish po nila yung mismong bahay. But if you are interested on the house, this is a bungalow house. It's a 4-bedroom bungalow house. Ang design niya is South American design with a pool. So nakikita niyo, you have a pool. And hindi po siya gated. Very peaceful po dito. 24/7 security. Very nice. So this is the boundary of the first lot. And kanina, nandun tayo sa kabila. Oops. Ito yung kabilang lote. Yan. So, nandun siya. So, 1,189 square meters. Sobrang luwag. And yung other lot starts from this flag all the way to the second flag. There. Yun. Dito sa malayo. Nag-zoom siya. So, napakaluwag po niya. I will be flashing some of the drone feeds so that you can see how big the lots are. And we'll try to trace out kung ano bang magiging itsura ng mga lote. Ngayon, we also are selling 3 lots na 441 square meters. If you feel that the 1,189 square meters is a bit big for you, they're also selling 3 lots na 441. Now, it's located on the perimeter, but yung likod po niyan, it's very safe. Hindi naman po siya, wala naman pong residence dyan sa likod. This is just also, I think, a farm. So, this is the first lot, starting from the that flag, all the way to that second flag. Ito po, sa video. Yan po yung lote natin. Now, Arman, paano yan? Magkakatabi sila. Nasaan yung road? So, yung magiging road po natin, they're gonna be constructing a road very soon, starting January. So, yung road po natin is from this one to this flag. Yan po yung road natin. Malawak po siya. Approximately mga 8 to 10 meters wide na road. So, napakaluwag and napaka-premium niya because you'll be the only residents in this side of phase 2 ng Mount Malalayat. So this is the whole first lot from that flag all the way to the other flag. And then magkakatabi na po yan, magkakasunod na yan. So lakarin natin. While you're there, kindly comment down below if how you're liking this video. It's been a long time na gumawa ko ng itong video na POV siya. Hawak ko yung camera, tas naglalakad lang just to show you yung mismong property na binibenta natin. Yung second property natin starts from this flag all the way to that car. Ayan, hanggang dun sa kotse. Ganun po siya kalapad. Palapad po naman itong mga lote dito. 441 square meters, napakaluwag. And you know what I really like about Lipa, Batangas? Sobrang lamig dito. It's a notch down from Lipa, from Tagaytay weather. Pero malamig siya. If you're a fan of cool weather like me, tarang perfect dito tumira. And gusto nyo pang tumira sa isang golf community, perfect na perfect po to sa inyo. So we're going to the third lot. Yung third lot po natin starts from this car. Ito po yung flag. Okay. All the way to the other flag. So yung nakikita ng yellow flags na yan, those are tree trunks na kailangan lang i-weed out bago po magsimula ng construction. So naka-ano na siya. So, we already have the titles. We have a copy of the titles. If you're interested, we can actually give a copy to you. And then if you want to see the actual community of Mount Malalayat, you can actually go and contact us. Again, if you're interested to see the actual community of Mount Malalayat, appreciate the golf course, and also see yung mga lote na available dito, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. We have our Viber, WhatsApp, and also our iMessage. You can also go on our social media pages. We have our Facebook and Instagram. You can actually browse the properties that we're selling there, and you can actually check out ano rin yung mga updates namin, ano ba yung ibang services that we offer. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye guys!